Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to freeze snapshot location. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on Snapchat on the camera screen. Now first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and press into your Bitmoji icon. From here what you need to do is go to the top right hand corner of your screen and click onto the gear icon. This will open up settings. Now what you need to do from here is scroll down the page until you get the privacy control section and then press on to see my location. From here, to go ahead and freeze your snapshot location, all you need to do is turn on ghost mode at the top. So you can see when you enable ghost mode, your friends can't see your location. So it's actually gonna freeze your location. Just go ahead and turn it on. Then you can choose how long to turn this on for, 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. So that's it. That is how to freeze snapshot location. I really hope you found this very useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.